Hey everyone, if you are new to crypto.com, here's how to create an account step by step. First, download the crypto.com from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then click on sign up. After that, type in your email address. Then click on I would like to receive crypto exclusive offers and updates and click on create account. Then you have to verify your email account. Open your mail and then look at the message that was sent to you. Click on create an account. Click Google. After that, do all the credentials that you are supposed to do, and that's it. Enter your phone number and confirm it with the SMS. Your account is created, but features stay limited. So, until verification is completed, complete identity verification to unlock full access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.